Disclaimer. This video was created with the assistance of artificial intelligence. AI can make mistakes. This content is for educational purposes only.
Welcome back. If part 1 felt a bit confusing, don't worry. We'll build the Dev Technology Solutions website, step by step. Let's begin. First, let's create our HTML structure and connect our CSS file. This is the foundation of every professional website. Let's create a simple navigation bar and connect our CSS file. This is the foundation of links. Let's create the hero section and connect our thing visitors see when they open your website. Next, we'll style this section with CSS. First, add a hover effect. It makes the navigation interactive and gives users a better browsing experience. Professional look. Great. Now let's style our hero section and make it stand out. First, our navigation bar is now complete. In part 3, we'll design a stunning hero section that gives our website a premium look. Like, share and subscribe to Dev Technology.